Hey there, water park enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an aquatic adventure like no other at the incredible Cowabunga Canyon Waterpark in beautiful Summerlin. Get ready to make a splash! Cowabunga Canyon Waterpark has something for everyone. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking thrill or a family looking for a day of relaxation, this place has got you covered. Alright, folks, it's time to test my courage. This right here is the Crazy Cowabunga Slide. It's one of the most exhilarating water slides in the entire park. Let's give it a whirl. That was insane! The rush of adrenaline is indescribable. If you're a thrill seeker like me, you have to try this slide. But if you're in the mood for something more laid back, Cowabunga Canyon's lazy river is the perfect spot to unwind. Grab a tube, let the gentle current carry you, and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. I could spend hours here, just taking in the sun and having a blast with friends and family. It's pure relaxation. Cowabunga Canyon's wave pool is another crowd favorite. Jump in, catch a wave, and feel like you're at the beach, even in the middle of Summerlin. Surf's up, dudes! Whether you're an experienced surfer or a beginner, the waves here are a ton of fun. Just grab a board and ride the swells. Now, let's not forget about the little ones. Cowabunga Canyon has an awesome kids area, complete with mini slides, splash pads, and water cannons. It's a paradise for the young ones. Look at those smiles. Cowabunga Canyon knows how to keep the kids entertained and make sure they have an absolute blast. After all the excitement, you're bound to work up an appetite. Thankfully, Cowabunga Canyon has got you covered with a variety of food options. From burgers to pizzas and refreshing drinks, they've got everything you need to refuel and recharge.